Welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account on the Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now on the web browser, on the search bar, type in RIZAL Commercial Banking Corporation and then hit the search button. After you do that, you will be redirected to the results page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be redirected to the home page of RCBC. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this login option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, on this menu, click on this personal online banking option. After you do that, you will be redirected to the login page. Now on this page, find this sign up now button and click on it. After you do that, you will be further redirected to another page. Now choose the kind of account you want and then click on this get started option. After you click on this get started option, you will be redirected to another page where you will have to click on this let's get started option again. After you click on that option, you will be on this terms and conditions page. Now, if you want to read all these terms and conditions, please do that and then click on this I have read and understood the terms and conditions option and then click on this continue button. After you click on the continue button, you will have to tick on this option again and click on continue again. Now, once you do that, you will be redirected to another page where you will have to fill in your mobile number. Here you can choose your country code by simply clicking on this option, and you'll have to fill in your mobile number here, your email address here, and then click on this continue option. Once you click on this continue option and if your credentials are correct, you will be guided to step 4 where you'll have to choose your user ID, and then on step 5 you'll have to choose your password, and once everything is verified, your account on the RCBC will be created. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.